Today we're going to check out this 32-foot custom-built inTech stacker designed and built for dragsters. It's got a 26-foot, 4,000-pound dragster lift inside. We've got 050 exterior skin. We've got 2 dual awnings on the outside. We've got a workbench station with interior storage for the workbench. 3 exterior 24-inch scene lights, an outside sound bar that's tied into the stereo inside. Dual 60-inch double doors, 60-inch step. We've got outside air hookups here with a receptacle outside and another one at the back, so you can make sure to plug all your coolers and all your equipment in. The door obviously has 2 mounting sets or locations, so when your awnings are in, you can open the door all the way up. Obviously, when the awning's out, you can make sure that it doesn't bang into your awning. We got a full height tongue box with a 12-inch extended tongue. Generator prep here, so you can put a portable generator, pull it out on this generator slide. We've got storage in that one. It's got an air compressor hookup and receptacle upstairs, up in the top. Obviously, we've got our coupler here. We've 50 hydraulic jack in the front, so you can raise and lower off your trailer or off your coach or truck. We've got obviously a 50 amp shore plug there. Like I said, 050 exterior skin, radio antenna is up top. Triple 7K, 7,000-pound axles. We've got some stabilizing jacks at the back, so when you're obviously operating the lift up and down while at the shop without it hooked up, you can kind of stabilize that. Reverse marker or side marker lights with backup scene lights. We've got skid plates in the back corner in addition to the skid rollers on the back. We've got a 5-foot ramp extension. We deleted the beaver tail as well, so that way you can get the load angle just right. This is an 84-inch heavy-duty, 6,000-pound rated ramp door. We've got some extra scene lights above, extra tail lights, so that way you can be seen from quite a ways away. Now let's take a look at the inside. Inside, we've got Sportsman gray cabinets with black anodized trim. We've got a driver's closet here with a hanging bar, 3 base cabinet doors. Interior here, you've got your hydraulic jack that obviously raises and lowers the trailer. Then you've got, it's a winch prepped. It's got a winch plate down below. You've got 2 receptacles, a 12-volt USB receptacle, your air outlet, air compressor switch. This is great because you can turn your compressor on and off from inside. Exterior speaker switch, so you can turn the speaker outside on and off. Obviously, you got your stereo, your 12-volt disconnect, overhead cabinet storage. This trailer, we did a light-duty attic with a transition flap, so you can put, you know, just additional storage up there. We did a black ceiling just to give it some depth. Here is your 26-foot dragster lift, rated at 4,000 pounds. It's got LED strip lighting on the sides, so you get a little extra light underneath when the lift is up. You've got 81.5 inches, 81.5 inches between the wheel wells on this trailer here, so plenty of extra width. This trailer also, we have the center removable lift panels. You can remove those if you want. Just takes about 6 screws and they'll come right out. Here is your exterior or interior folding workbench station. You can move this inside or outside, which we talked about earlier. Got an air outlet and a receptacle there. Light switch controls your loading lights up underneath the spoiler. We've got a strap hanger here at the back, so you can put all your straps when you're done untying things down, and then obviously when you want to go tie your cars and everything down, you can do so. We've got LED lights in the cove. It's 11.5 interior height. It's 13.4 on the exterior. So you got plenty of height to adjust this lift to where you may need it to get cars in above and below. This trailer is available, so give us a call.